Good morning, Tilly.
Morning, Robbie.
Tilly, look! The Ducklings are starting a leaf slides game. Leaf slides? They're going to zoom all the way down that hill. Let's join them. I'll push you. You'll go super fast. Only if you promise not to launch me into a flower bush again.
Leaf sliding responsibly, I promise.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Leafs are setting champions.
Teach me! Please don't break anything.
I'm thankful mud is soft.
I'm thankful I walk slowly.
Quack! Pond party!
First one in makes the biggest splash.
Oh, I love splashes.
Ah, nothing like a clean shell to start the day.
Splash! Splash! This is fun! Hey, I'm the best washer ever! Watch out, water!
Did you enjoy any of it?
Enjoy? I was too busy being fast.
Good afternoon! Good afternoon!
Everyone, name one thing you're thankful for.
Snacks! Puddles! Snacks and puddles!
I'm thankful for friends and even bossy turtle ones. Now, let's share what we're really thankful for.
I'm thankful for my family, especially my duck mom who packs extra snacks.
I'm thankful for this funny day. Best mudslide ever. I'm thankful for my friends, Quack Squad forever.
I'm thankful for all of you, even if you're slow
And loud.
and splashy. And I'm thankful for this family we've become. Now, group hug!